Hello, this is Pete, or Kenshin1913, along with
Dad.
And this is another Cooking with Kenshin1913. What are we making today?
Roasted asparagus in the oven. Okay, to make those asparagus, we're gonna need the ingredients are asparagus, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and oil. You you get the asparagus, you buy them in the store, and you cut the bottom part. That's because this is hard. That's, you see this color, and you want to take this one away because it's this one. It's very hard and it's like a. That's not good to eat. Put a little salt.
So yeah, you want to put these on a cookie sheet. You probably have, I don't know, probably a pound of asparagus. Maybe.
Yeah, probably a little over a pound when you buy them, but after you clean it, probably it's less than that.
So yeah, we're gonna just salt and pepper them. I'll put the amount in the ingredients or in the video description. All right. So one thing my dad's doing here is he's putting the lemon, because we have a couple of older lemons, but in order for them to get the juices flowing, you want to put them in the microwave for a few seconds. And then what we like to do, obviously, is roll them, because you want to get the lemon juice from them. You can even put a little zest in it if you want, but you don't have to. But yeah, we're going to probably use the zest of one big lemon.
No, those are small.
Yeah, which is
I'm gonna use two.
Yeah, so this is a really simple and fast dish that you can make. The longest part about it is honestly
Cooking it.
Just cooking it. It's gonna be in the oven at 350 for about a half hour, or until the asparagus is nice and tender. All right, so after squeezing the lemon juice, we want to add a little bit of olive oil to the asparagus as we're roasting it. This is a very simple recipe, like I mentioned. Great side. Not a huge fan of asparagus, but this is pretty good. So we got a lot of lemon juice, and that's okay, because it's going to make it taste really good. So like I said, 350 degrees for about a half hour, then we'll be back to show you what it looks like.
Okay, that's how they come. And one more ingredient.
Yeah, you can add a little balsamic, you can add a little red pepper flake if you want, you can add a little bit of, what else can you add? Cheese if you want, some Parmesan cheese. And yeah, these are roasted asparagus. They're a myriad of various different ways you can make it, but this is how we are. So we're gonna plate it and eat it. All right, here is our grilled asparagus, our oven roasted asparagus. I don't really like it, so you're gonna try it. Yeah, you want to make sure that they're nice and tender as you eat them, and they get that nice flavor from the lemon, right?
From the lemon and from the vinegar. Balsamic vinegar. Very good.
Yeah. So this is probably one of our quickest, shortest episodes. So I've been Pete, or Kenshin1913, along with
Dad.
And this has been another Cooking with Kenshin1913.
Buon appetito.